Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl Miranda here, and I'm back for another tutorial. In today's video I show you how to create this I'm getting unicorn vibes. Y'all let me know what kind of vibes y'all getting. I'm getting unicorn vibes. We'll see. But anyway, this is the look that I created in today's video. This is not the look I had in mind when I first sat down to film. I was gonna do a recreation video of a picture I seen off Instagram, but then as I was going, I was like, I started thinking about this, and I have been dying to use these glitters. I use a little bit of both of these glitters. They're from, I think the Instagram name is Cake Face Beauty. I'm not sure. Don't quote me until you look in the description box, because I will have the link to their Instagram down below. Yeah, I got these a while ago in a pack when they was having their, I think I got it last summer around the 4th of July if I'm not mistaken. They had some type of 4th of July sale, and so I got a whole bunch of them, and I've been dying to use this glitter specifically because it's fine glitter mixed with, like, it has a little bit of chunky glitter in there as well, but not like real chunky, but some chunky glitter in there as well. So I've been dying to use it. And then I just love this color combination of this glitter here. It's mainly blue with pink and purple holographics, as well as this one. This one is mainly purple with pink and blue holographics. So I thought these two together would just be bomb, and so that's what I use for the glitter. This video will be a voiceover, hopefully, fingers crossed. I plan on making it a voiceover. So yeah, and also as you can tell, I got a purple lip again, but you know, you can always do a nude lip. Y'all always know the lip option is up to you all. Really, the entire look is up to y'all, especially if you're recreating it. But I just wanted to do a bold lip for this look, you know, give you some purple and pink and blue unicorn vibes, you know, positivity, because it has been like cloudy and very negative in my town for the past week, and it's only Wednesday, and it's been raining all this week as well. But anyway, that's besides the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would like to know all your thoughts, opinions, and all that. And make sure you follow me on my social media, which will be down in the description box below. I'm going to try to put it on the screen as well, somewhere on the screen as well. But if it's not on the screen, make sure to look down in the description box below, because it will be there. It's always there in the description box. I also want to thank you guys for 80 subscribers. Welcome to the new subscribers. Welcome. Make sure to stick around. I have a whole bunch of new and creative videos coming for you guys. Yeah. Oh, let's address the elephant in the room. I do have a new hairstyle. This is my first time with the frontal. It's getting kind of old now, so it's almost time for a touch-up. But I'll let you know my opinions maybe in a later video. But just right now, it's okay. It's cool. It's something new, something different. Also, another elephant in the room. If you see me looking down, like away from the camera, it's because I have a monitor set up now, y'all. If you know, in my 2 videos ago, my chit chat get ready to me video, I told you all that I'm very serious about this YouTube thing, and I'm trying to stay committed. Right now I'm trying to do 1 to 2 videos a week. I know that's not very consistent, but I have a full-time job, and you know, I only have certain days that I can film, and so I'm trying, you know, at least you're getting 1 video a week. Some weeks I'm gonna try to give you two videos a week. Fingers crossed. Pray for me, guys. But I have a new monitor, so that's why I'm looking down in this direction here. If you see me looking that way during the video, I apologize for that. I'm just, you know, getting the feel of this little monitor situation. I think I said it in the description box of my last video. I do have new lighting right here. I have 2 soft boxes that I got Amazon. I will try to link it down in the description box below for you all that's that have a YouTube channel and that's, you know, want to know what lighting I'm using. Let me know your opinions on the lighting. I'm still tweaking it, twerking it, you know, trying to get it right. But yeah, that's enough chit chatting. I don't want this to be a long intro. It's already at 5 minutes. So I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Hey guys, so to kick off this tutorial, I'm using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna No Filter Primer. I really love this primer. It's amazing. It works well with my skin. The only thing I don't like about it is I don't think it does anything for my pores. I mean, but I haven't really found any primer to do anything for my pores. So yeah, but it's still amazing, and I like using it with the matching foundation, which I'm doing here in this video here. I think these two work completely amazing together. I'm really scared to actually use them separately. So if you have these products and you have used them separately, let me know how they work down in the description box below. And if you use the foundation without the matching primer, what primer to use it with, and vice versa. And I'm just using the beauty blender from Shop Miss A to blend out that foundation. Their beauty blenders are the best. Yes, I said it. They're even better than the original beauty blenders. And they're $19 cheaper. So yeah, definitely check them out. I'll have that link down in the description box below. Next I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black to fill in my eyebrows. You can really just skip this part because my eyebrows turned out horrible, but I wasn't finna go back and fix them. So, yeah, I'm still trying to perfect on how to do these brows because I have thin brows and, you know, not a lot of hair, so I'm trying to perfect on how to do those. You know, practice makes perfect, and I'm just practicing. So, yeah, this practice failed, but it's okay. It is definitely okay. And then I'm just taking some concealer and on this flat small brush and just cleaning up the brows. Nothing special there. And so now I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I think it's in the shade Deep if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just going to highlight under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. And if you notice, I brought that concealer up some on the sides of my nose. That's to kind of reverse contour a little bit. Reverse contour my nose, that is. This is something that I recently started doing, and I kind of like the results of it. So yeah, if you don't have a contour shade, you can reverse contour. It just creates a shadow, which that's all a contour is creating a shadow. So yeah, if you don't have a contour product that's dark enough for you or something like that, just bring your highlight up on the sides of your nose and it'll create a contour line, and then also highlight the center or the bridge of your nose. And so those two things will create the shadows on the sides of the bridge of your nose. If that makes sense. Just I think it's better to watch than kind of explain. I think I've seen James Charles do this. I think he does this too. So if you need a better explanation or a tutorial per se on how to do that, look at some of James Charles videos. Some other beauty gurus probably do that too, but I don't know. You know, just a trick that I do. Okay, and you can actually skip this part as well. Well, first I set my eyes, you know, with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. You know, that's just what I use. That's an OG product. You can skip the blue part. Like I said in the intro, I had a different look in mind in doing. So that's why I put the blue down at first as well. But it kind of works out a little bit because mixing the blue and the pink gave me a purple shade. And so I used that too. But I mean, I could have just, it doesn't matter because I'm going with another purple shadow anyway. So if you want to know, that's the same blue from my previous video. It's from Star Crushed Minerals. And the pink is the hot pink out of the Morphe palette, of course. And now this purple is the purple out of the Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette. And yeah, I'm just taking turns with different brushes, blending those out, building up the colors, blending. This look took a lot of blending, a lot of blending. I promise you, I blended so much my arms got tired. But yeah. I'm taking the e.l.f. brush to blend out the pink. Then I'm taking the Morphe brush to blend out the purple. But I like this Morphe brush because it really gets in the crease, which is exactly where I want that purple to be, because I'm cutting the crease, as you can see. So I wanted it to be in the crease, but be able to still see it a little bit after I cut the crease, if that makes sense. Because I'm using the same ColourPop concealer to cut my crease with this the same brush that I used to clean up my brows. And since you are using glitter in this video, um, you can do this look. It's probably best to do this look before you do your base. But if you do your base first, make sure to bake up under your eyes to catch that excess glitter and any fallout that the shadows may have. Now I'm taking this smaller, more defined definer brush. It's from Eco Tools, and I'm just rubbing in the excess purple eyeshadow off the Morphe palette, and I'm just deepening up that crease and blending out that line a little bit. Now I'm taking this glue from Booty, taking this glitter glue from Beauty Bakery, and I'm just placing it on top of the concealer. That's just, you know, so my glitter can stick. And yeah, these are the same glitters that I mentioned in the intro. And if it's not, I think it's Cake Your Face Beauty and not Cake Face Beauty. It's one of the two. I will have it linked in the description box down below. So definitely check that out. And now I'm taking this NYX liner, eyeliner pen, and it's the white one, and I'm just creating a line where I cut the crease at. You know, that cut crease line. I'm tracing that invisible line with this NYX eyeliner pencil or pen. And as you can see, it's a little crooked towards the tail portion. So I am going to go back in with that small Eco Tools definer brush to kind of even it out as much as I can. Yeah, that's what I'm doing here. To kind of bring back that purple and kind of balance it out and even it out a little bit. And then I put my lashes on off camera. And now I'm taking this Black Radiance press powder, and I'm just sweeping away that excess Laura Mercier powder. These eyelashes were irritating my eye a little bit, but they are still bomb. I love those. They're from Cake Beauty or something like that. The brand that Kim Tai has her lashes with, but they're in the style Sweetie. I will try to have it down in the description box below, like always. So I'm just taking this powder, setting the rest of my face as well. Then I'm using Scandinavia's setting spray to set my makeup in place. For the first time, that is. And then using Beauty Bakery's highlighter. And I'm just going to highlight, you know, the high points of my cheeks. My nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and above my eyebrows and my brow bone. And I'm using this blending brush, which I think I like doing this better. I've been doing it for for a little while now, not for a long time, but for a little while, using an eyeshadow blending brush to apply my highlight. I know that I like applying my highlight better this way than using a fan brush or something like that. I still like the Morphe Y6, I think it is. It's either Y6, Y16 or something like that. That brush, I still like that brush to apply my highlight as well. But I think I like using an eyeshadow brush better. And this brush is from the Shop Miss A. It came in a brush collection. So yeah, any small blending brush will work. If you haven't tried that method, give it a try. I really like it. And then I'm just applying this Morphe liquid lipstick, and I think it's in the shade Juju. Juju or Gypsy. One of them. I think it's Juju. And I'm spraying my face one more time. And that really completes this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.